I'm David with Carter & Son Toolworks, and I'm here now to show you some sharpening techniques. Today I'm demonstrating a simple sharpening method using minimal fixtures. The method involves coloring the cutting edge of the tool with the Sharpie pen and then setting the correct angle on the grinder. Let's sharpen. I'll be sharpening our 5/8 bull gouge today. To start, set the tool at 2 inches from the fixture. Once you set the 2-inch distance, take your pen and color the cutting edge of the tool. Once you've set the tool in the jig, you must position the cutting edge to the correct position. The jig moves back and forth. That determines the angle of the grind. Try to set the distance as close as you can. Just look by eye at where the tool is resting on the grinding wheel. Once it looks good, with the grinder turned off, just turn the wheel slowly. The purpose of this is to remove the black ink off the tool. That is what happened here. I removed the black ink of the Sharpie so I know that the fixture is in the perfect location for sharpening. Now lock the fixture in place and with your safety glasses on, turn on your grinder and sharpen the tool. This restores the cutting edge to a razor. Thank you for watching and happy turning.